In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a plan in Microsoft Planner. If you want to reuse an existing plan instead of building a new one from scratch, Microsoft Planner makes that process quick and convenient. Duplicating a plan is especially helpful when you regularly use the same structure for projects, recurring workflows, team checklists, or task templates. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a copy of a plan in just a few clicks. To begin, open Microsoft Planner and navigate to the plan you want to copy. Once you're inside that plan, look near the plan name at the top of the page. You'll see a three-dot menu, which is the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those three dots next to the plan name. This menu gives you access to additional actions for managing the plan. After the menu opens, look through the available options and click Duplicate Plan. This tells Planner that you want to create a new version based on the current one. It's a useful feature because it saves time and helps keep your planning consistent, especially if the original plan already has the layout or setup you want. When the duplicate window appears, you'll be asked to enter a new plan name. Type the name you want to use for the copied plan. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, especially if you work with multiple similar plans. A descriptive title can help you and your team quickly identify the correct version later. Once the new plan name is entered, click Duplicate to confirm. Microsoft Planner will then create the copied plan for you. Depending on your connection and the size of the plan, this may take a moment, but it's usually very fast. After the duplication is complete, you'll have a separate plan that you can edit independently from the original. That means you can adjust tasks, deadlines, buckets, and other details in the new plan without affecting the source plan. This is a great way to preserve a master version while creating working copies for different teams, clients, or project cycles. And that's all it takes to copy a plan in Microsoft Planner. Open the plan, click the three-dot menu, choose Duplicate Plan, enter a new name, and then click Duplicate. It's a simple process that can save a lot of setup time and make your project planning much more efficient.